Alright, so we're going to do a cold start real quick. Here's glow plugs off. You can see it's cold. I don't know, haven't ran it since before I left the country, so about 3 weeks. Fired right off. We'll just pull it forward a little bit. Got it nestled in here nicely, just to do a quick walk around. We got better lighting in here. So I do like what they did with the dash and interior. Yeah, the upholstery, they spent a lot of money on the door panels. These are actually custom seats here. This is to match the headliner. The headliner, you have a lot of intricate stitching in. Whoever did it, they spent a ridiculous amount of work and time. Their dash work covering is good. Their door panels, yeah, they did good work on there. We did replace these door hinges because they were tight. It happens over time. We end up replacing a lot of them. So what I like too is they actually covered all the side panels, and you can see the strips here. You know, all around, someone put a lot of effort and time, and you know, they picked out the interior they wanted. You can see the work up above there. So it's a tan over brown. You got that excess stitch pattern, then the racing seats with the inlay. They did, you know, the visors in there. Let's see, it has a Pioneer head unit. You have a center tack that's mounted there. You have the center cubby box. And I didn't have the color code available. The closest one I could find on any color palette is Pyrite Brown Metallic, which is a BMW color. It had a different set of wheels on it when we got it, but we powder coated the set black because I like the look. It had those same wheels, identical but alloy. So I think this is a lot better look with the black. Shows real well. You know, accents the roof, and the roof rack, which could easily be taken off. From the paperwork we got, it was a French couple that commissioned the work to be done in Germany. So it wasn't just a quick restoration someone wanted to do one day to make money. They built it because it was what they wanted, spent the money. That's a lot of difference. Sometimes people do it as quick as possible, throw some paint on it. So one of the things with painting an aluminum bodied vehicle is all the galvanic corrosion. You'll have a lot of places that they just sand over the corrosion, throw some primer on it, it comes right back within a year. We see it all the time. So what's good, if the paint's older, which this one I'm guessing is 5-6 years old, you don't have anything that's peeking through that it looks like they obviously just went and did a cover job. So underneath here, you know, the brown carpet's clean. We've been keeping rubber mats in it. They did the seat boxes really nicely. You know, they even stitched the edge of the handles here. Look, the visors have been covered. The running boards, I believe, were for Discovery that someone's custom done. That's the carpet color underneath. There's this rubber mat here. I'm keeping the paper ones in there. And they did the rear cross member in gloss. Has matching full-size spare. Let's see, you do have the tow hook on there. I'm not sure the brand on the roof rack. It's a universal, it just goes in the gutter rail. And when they're cleaning it, they didn't put the seat belt back. So that actually goes between the seats, but you have matching rear seats here. Rubber mats down, but there's carpet underneath. So like I said, they wrapped all of these window pieces. They're normally gray, you know, just kind of bland. Someone took the time to wrap it all in the same material. So Defender 110, well taken care of. We've taken it, let's see, North Carolina, gone over the road. You know, runs, drives great. It's been taken care of. We've done maintenance to it. It has a very unique look. It's not a color you see all the time, or actually that I've seen on any of the Defenders. It's really one you have to see in person. The photographs, I don't think, do it justice by any means. But great looking ride. If you have any questions, just let us know.